You will hear a talk about an ancient art form called origami, which consists in folding paper. First, you will have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. Now, listen and answer questions 1 to 5.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the fascinating world of origami. What is origami? Well, it comes from the Japanese words ori, meaning folding, and kami, meaning paper. It is an old art form that has been popular for centuries. We're going to look at the art and science behind origami, exploring its rich history, diverse uses, and the mathematical concepts that make it possible. I will begin by discussing the history of origami. It began in ancient China and later developed in Japan during the 6th century. It was initially used for religious ceremonies and gradually became a popular leisure activity. The first known book about origami was published in Japan in 1797, which shows its importance in Japanese culture. In the 19th century, it became well known internationally and transformed from a traditional craft to an official art form and educational tool. The main techniques were agreed at a conference in Japan in 1910 and are still used today. They involve folding a single sheet of paper to create detailed and beautiful designs. These techniques allow us to create various shapes such as animals, flowers, and geometric figures by folding paper. Since 2000, origami has been an artistic and scientific activity involving concepts of mathematics and geometry, which play a crucial role in origami design. Mathematics helps decide how the paper is folded, enabling the creation of complex and elegant origami models.
Before you listen to the rest of the talk, you will have some time to look at questions 6 to 10. Now, listen and answer questions 6 to 10.
Let's move on to the second part of the talk. The use of origami goes beyond art and leisure, and it has been used in various fields. In architecture, designs inspired by origami have been used to create original structures that can be folded and unfolded. Furthermore, there are medical devices which solve health problems. Robotics has also been influenced by origami, as folding patterns can be applied to create new robots. Moreover, origami is an excellent educational tool because it promotes creativity and critical thinking. It encourages problem-solving and patience while teaching students about geometry. Many schools globally have origami on their mathematics and art curriculum, with the objective of improving student skills. Today, origami has become an exciting art form with exceptional talents worldwide. Contemporary artists like Robert Lang, Akira Yoshizawa, and Satoshi Kamiya have pushed the limits of origami with their creations. Their work inspires new generations of origami enthusiasts to explore and experiment with the art form. To sum up, origami combines art, mathematics, and creativity beautifully, getting people's attention across cultures and generations. Its uses continue to expand, from technological advances to health practices. I hope this lecture has inspired you to appreciate the artistry and science behind origami, and perhaps even try it yourself.